Hey mga ka-crunch, another crunch video coming your way. Charot, pinanindigan ng pagiging vlogger. Hi, so for today's vlog is our friend's escapade last week. Kay nag-meet kami sa Davao sa akong mga beshi wops. We are like small circle of friends, like tatlo lang kami really. Strong and small, tatlo lang kami. And we rarely see each other like once every year or once, twice max. Kadalasan pag birthday lang ni Madam Ever. Shout out Madam Ever, so rich. No pun intended, but si Madam Ever Manggod, she said, hindi ka mo magpakita sa akon because we're not able to attend her birthday last January. Kay busy ang line, plus it's gonna be expensive. So, hambag ko, tingubon na lang kay mapadavaw ang isa namon ka friend sa amo nga day. Tapos ako available ko nga day, so be it. Tapos, sabi niya, okay, ako magbayad sa condo. So, ako, go! Sino bang ayaw ng libre, di ba? So, she booked a condo somewhere here in Sasa and it was a two-bedroom condo via Airbnb. Shout out Airbnb, not paid promotion. Tapos nagplan kami beforehand na for dinner, we're gonna wear shades of green. So, amo na sa picture, naka-green kami tatlo. And so, short backstory lang sa amon nga small circle of friends. Kay workmates ko na sila before sa one call center and then the other call center. And then we click, nagmatch lang siguro amon nga kahartihan together. So, for dinner that night, we decided na mix na lang to celebrate nga nakita kami. Kay it has been a while. Tapos gisulit ko jud kapilaki ko nagbalik-balik to eat. Tapos target jud na ako tong mga expensive nila na fish kay hilig man kog isda. So, tapos isulit jud na ako ang 740. Shout out to you, Yaki Mix Davao. Kay last ko nakaon is like years ago. Kay it has been a while manggod na wala na ako sa Davao. Plus, hindi man ko frequent sa Jansan. So on. Pero grabe, kisulit jud na ako. As in, busog na busog. Murag naka-earn kog 5 kilos ato sa amo lang to na dinner. And kay sobrang man ka-dedicated ang akon nga mga friends. So the night ato is nag-work pa sila. Ako kay naka-on leave man ko, naka-leave ko 2 days. So I was pretty much available. Sila kay, grabe, alipin ng dolyar. So ni-work jud sila. Tapos for breakfast, nagluto-luto lang kami. Like egg, corned beef, spam. Kaya ang isa naman ka friend, so rich madam ever again, nag-bring siya sa corned beef na something like, paano kayo kay, the corned beef was around 200. So dapat gid siya i-highlight. Too high sa 200 na corned beef. Tapos what I like about sa condo na nabook sa akong friend is na ay pool. The pool was very clean, as in very clean, and may dalawa sila ka pool so we can like go from one pool to another. Pero nice jud siya kay it's very clean. Tapos kay aral naman ko sa Davao, gisabay ko na lang kuha sa akon nga PRC ID. Yay me. And then at the same time gi-release man nila ang certificate of registration. Kudos to PRC Davao, very fast jud sila, as in I'm na-amaze jud ko. So I guess this is the end of my short vlog and many more to come, pa, please. So yeah, and thank you for listening if you made it like until the end of this video. And yeah, more randomness and cringe video coming your way. Goodbye mga ka-cringe. Until the next video.